fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! BMEG! Bilis kita!
It's Bucal Weekend Bicolandia, and we are now on our third game of Seniors Basketball Season 5. It's the USI Falcons against ACC Green Serpents. I'm Aljon Pogoy, and with me is Christine Reyes, at kami po ang makakasama ninyo sa tapatang Falcons against Green Serpents.
Ayan nga, Aljon, we are still live here at the ATENEO Naga University Gymnasium, of course, sa ating Facebook pages na Bucal, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. Of course, sabi mo nga, Aljon, our third game, it's the USI Falcons versus the ACC Green Serpents. Pero ito, kanina po for our second game, it's the Annunciation Panthers going against the Pasakaw Academy, kung saan nga po nakuha muli ng ACC Green Serpents ang kanilang unang panalo.
So congratulations. So we are now on the elimination round. Every win is important kasi it will determine their spots in the elimination round. So Tin, lumabas na nga yung standing sa bracket A. So these both teams, the USI Falcons and the Green Serpents, are both in the bracket A, and the Green Serpents is on the top. At ito namang USI Falcons ay nasa ika-4 na pwesto.
Yan nga, Adjon. So this would be a very exciting game dahil nga nakita natin yung laro. Both teams, galing po sila sa panalo last week. Of course, the USI against the CCDI Wildcats with 86-80. While the ACC, grabe yung labanan ng ACC Green Serpents at ng ATENEO Golden Knights, kung saan nga nakuha ng ACC Green Serpents ang kanilang unang panalo.
So I'm very excited din, and I hope ang mga nanunood ngayon at manunood pa excited kasi pareha silang galing sa panalo. Spot number 1 against spot number 4. So I'm very excited dito naman sa Green Serpents. Talaga namang sila ang nanguna sa bracket A. At dito namang USI Falcons, I'm sure hindi sila magpapakabog this match.
Yan nga, Adjon. Para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Hi, Adjon, and good afternoon once again, Bucalandia. Live here at ATENEO de Naga University Gymnasium, Bucal Facebook page. This is Eliza Faith Petesa Respeto giving you the latest news and updates from the court side of Amando Cope College Green Serpents. After a long break, the ACC Green Serpents are now back on the hard court carrying the torch of their junior counterparts as they will also showcase their game-winning shots and impressive basketball skills, proving and showcasing the Serpent supremacy this Bucal Season 5. So join me as we witness the unbreakable chemistry of the ACC Green Serpents forge on and off the court to slither this ball game. Only here on Bucal Season 5, 1 Media, TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ali, so talaga namang yung team chemistry, the advantage of being at the top, and also their counterparts sa juniors nila Tin.
Yes, talaga namang super ready sila to get a game against the USI Falcons. So this would be an exciting game. Dahil mamaya po, it's our seniors basketball, the ATENEO Golden Knights versus the CSPC Blue Stallions. Pero ngayon po, I know na bibigyan tayo ng magandang laban ng ACC at ng USI. At para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the USI Falcons, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen. Hi Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Yes, Tin and Alton, matapos nga kanilang matagumpay na laban against CCDI Wildcats last September 24, ngayon ay handa naman silang iwi ang kanilang pangalawang panalo kontra ACC Green Serpents. Good afternoon, this is Chen Shaira all the way from the bench of the USI Falcons. The players are geared up and prepared for this game. They are not just thinking about winning, they are focused on executing their game plan to perfection. Nawala man ang ilan sa mga key players this game, ngunit hindi yun hadlang upang ipakita ang kanilang galing at talento para masusungkit ang kanilang pangalawang panalo. Ika nga ni Coach, especially they are aiming to get the top spot on the bracket this season. Kaya naman tutok lang sa Bucal Season 5, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
They are coming for this competition, this match, prepared and also ready to execute their game plan perfectly. I remember, Tin, ang nag-best player that time as si Arevalo, talaga namang yung outside shooting niya and also their counterparts ng team niya talaga namang nagpakita ng magandang laro against Wildcats.
Yan, parehong kupunan na ito nagpakita ng magandang laro on their last game. Kaya naman talagang kaabang-abang kung ano nga ba yung aksyon na makikita natin ngayon. But before anything else, we would like to greet our dearest sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, the home of the champion, Gold Glove Construction, Lemon Residences, Lemon Experience Home Living, Anjano Trading, presyong maasahan sa kalidad na mapagkakatiwalaan. BMEG Premium, sa toong premium feeds, mabilis na ang paglaki, mabilis pa ang kita. NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings.
We also like to thank Converge ICT Solution, Filipino Shell, Naga Travel and Tours, NCFV Gallery, Julia Outer Advertising and Printing, Tigers Cafe located at NCF Main and NCF Annex, NCF Indoor Firing Range, the first world-class indoor firing range in Bucal region, SMCT Naga, NCF Training Pool, and NCF Driving School. Thank you very much po.
And of course, to our big sponsors, we have the Big's Diner, Havaianas, and the Elise Sportswear. So maya-maya po, mapapanood na po natin ang match-up ng ACC Green Serpents at ng USI Falcons.
So guys, mapapanood po nyo to sa Facebook page ng One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Bucal, and also live din tayo sa One Media TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.
Kaya po yung sa ating mga teambahay po, feel free to comment or shoutout po sa mga kakilala niyo dahil babasahin po namin yan maya-maya. At kahit wala po kayo dito sa loob ng ATENEO de Naga University Gymnasium, susubukan po namin dalhin sa inyong mga bahay ang aksyon at magandang laban ng dalawang koponan na ito.
So watch out guys sa laban na ito kasi I'm sure kami nga ni Teen very excited kasi top 1 and top 4. At sa ating pagbabalik, magsisimula na po ang tapatan ng USI Falcons and Green Serpents. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
matchup ng USI Falcons and the ACC Green Serpents. So in a few minutes po, magsisimula na ang bakbakan ng dalawang kuponan na ito. Now, the starting five of the USI Falcons is now in. We're just waiting on the part of the ACC Green Serpents.
So, Tin, ilang minutes na lang magsisimula na po. So, it's weekend. Pwede naman kayo ditong manood with us sa ATENEO de Naga GYMNASIUM at sa ating live stream on Facebook and YouTube. And comment your name para naman ma-shoutout namin kayo.
Now, we are now going to start this matchup. Jump ball tayo. Kanino kaya ang first ball possession? Now, ACC Green Serpents now has the ball. Galvez. Passes to Bron. Bron ngayon ang gagawa ng paraan. On the corner, Nagar. Papasok sa loob. No good for the jump shot.
Defensive rebound for the Falcons. Falcons ngayon may chance ang tumira. Sumasalaksak sa loob. No good. Another try. No good.
Now, ACC. They're taking their time here. Nagar. Passes to Acabado. Bron. Almario for dip 3. No good. Offensive rebound ni Bron. Tries in the corner. No
Kuha
good.
yan ng USI Falcons. And that's good. Arroza.
First basket ng Falcons. Now, Galvez. To Almario. Nagar ngayon. Passes on the corner. That's good. Para dito kay Galvez. That's the first three of the ACC Green Serpents.
Bola ngayon. Posada. May dala ng bola. Signaling for a play. Balik kay Posada. Looking for his teammate. Look, may dala ng bola. What a good steal.
Na nagmamadali, Nagar. That's good for a layup.
Posada may dala ng bola. Passes to Quijano. Passes to Posada. 4-3. No good.
Now ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Nagar. Pass to Galvez. Back to Nagar. Now what will they do? Lamang sila ng tatlo dito. Nagar to take an action. Almario. Going inside. A great...
Gandang pasa yun, Tin. Bola ngayon ng Falcons. Quijano may dala ng bola. Posada. No good. Looking for his teammate. Look. Titira. No good.
No. ACC trying to get a point again. Ooh. Hindi nga nakuha yung pasa dyan ni Nagar. So a turnover for the side of the USI Falcons.
Posada ngayon. May dala ng bola. Quijano to Arnoza. No. That's a good.
Now the ACC. With the ball possession, Nagar. Pass to Galvez. Galvez, papasok sa loob di diretso. Pass to Bron, no good.
No good. Defensive rebound. Look, may dala ng bola. Pass to Arnoza. Balik kay Luke. Papasok. No good. Quijano. Again. That's good.
Umaarangkado ngayon ang ating USI Falcons. Now, Green Serpents. Galvez. To Nagar. A dip 3. No good.
Arnoza ngayon. May dala ng bola. Passes to Posada. Quijano for 3. No good.
Chance for the Green Serpents to widen the gap. Nagmamadali dito. That's good para kay Acabado. 9-6.
Lok may dala ng bola. And a steal for the
No.
Serpents.
Nagar. Pass to Almario. That's good. Napatawag na nga ng timeout ang ating USI Falcons. 11-6 with 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Ayan nga, Aljo, napakaganda ng pasok ng ating first quarter dito. Of course, the ACC Green Serpents, pinapatunayan talaga nila na they are ready for this matchup.
Dito naman sa USI Falcons, talaga nakikipagsabayan sila. On that last sequence, talaga maganda ang pasa at mabibilis na transition naman dito sa USI Falcons. At yan yung nakita kong improvement nila compared sa last game nila against Wildcats. So they are now down here. It's down ang USI Falcons ngayon, pero hindi pa masyadong kalakihang lamang sa kanila at sana wag nilang hayaang matambakan ng Amando ng ACC dito sa first quarter pa lang.
Now let's see if the ACC will be consistent on their lead.
Lok, nakuha ang bola. Arzona, pass to Quijano. And that's good. Ang gandang pasa yon.
Ayan, hindi nga nagkakaluyuan yung puntos ng dalawang koponan na ito. Now, Nagar. Again on the corner for 3. That's good para kay Acabado. Wow, mainit-init ang laro ngayon ng Green Serpents.
Arzona, may dala ng bola. No good. Nakuha niya ulit ang bola. Pass to Quijano. No good again. Wala na naman, sayang yon.
Oo, a great opportunity sana para sa USI Falcons. But now, the Green Serpents papasok sa loob. There was a whistled foul. Still, a ball possession of the Green Serpents. Acabado ngayon to inbound. Now Galvez. Pass to Nagar. Almario ngayon papasok sa loob. No good.
Defensive rebound ng Falcons. .13 seconds to shoot for the Falcons. Posada for 3 and right on the basket.
Grabe to si Posada. You know what? The last game against the CCDI Wildcats, nagpaulan din ng tres itong si Posada, one of the key players of the USI Falcons.
That's routine. So aabangan talaga natin ang outside shooting dito ng Falcons.
Yes. Again, a whistle foul here.
So bola ngayon ng Falcons. Look to inbound. Arizona and a steal for the Green Serpents.
Acabado with that layup. That's good.
Wow, talagang mabibilis dito ang transition ng bola. At substitution dito sa side ng Falcons. We'll see kung ano bang papakita. I think it's 5 players. Bagong players. Falcons may dala ng bola. Sumasalaksak. And that's good!
Wow. Napakaganda nun. Kahit nakita mo yung height difference between the ACC and the USI, naipasok pa talaga yun. Now, another score for Nagar.
And a steal for the Serpents.
Now, Acabado, they are taking their time. Yantero. Nahanap dito ng papasahan. Galvez. Now, tries for a mid shot. No good.
Defensive rebound yan ng Falcons. Naghihirapan dito ang Falcons.
Grabe yung depensa ng ACC dito. You can really see the determination on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, ball possession of the Green Serpents. A steal
And a
from
steal
the
for
Falcons.
Falcons. No good.
Now, ball possession of the Green Serpents. Acabado to Nagar. Nagar. Again. Papasok sa loob. Mid shot, no good. Again, offensive rebound. Nagar on the corner for 3. That's good! Napakaganda nun. Galing kay Nico Nagar.
Maaga pa lang tinagpapaulalan ng tres dito ang Serpents.
Yes. 21-13. Now, still a ball possession of the Falcons.
Falcons ngayon, Bruce. For 3. No good. Balik ulit sa Falcons. Try 40 again, no good.
Now, ACC. Let's see. Yantero. Again, on the corner. No good.
Falcons ngayon ang bola.
First quarter pa lang, puno na ng tensyon between the two teams.
And a foul is awarded to ACC jersey number 5. Remo to free throw. No good for him. Another opportunity for Remo. And a clean basket.
Now, with 47 seconds remaining para sa ating first quarter, Nagar. Pass to Acabado. Acabado. Now, a dip 3 coming from Balance. Grabe, paulan ng tres dito ang ACC Green Serpents. But there was a whistled foul here. Ball possession of the Falcons.
Falcons ngayon. Ball possession. Remo to inbound. Bruce loses the ball.
We only have 20 seconds.
13. Ang nakikita ko ngayon, ang Serpents, ang gaganda ng performance nila sa outside shooting. And dito naman sa Falcons, inside shooting naman. So in terms of the difference dito, mas nakakakuha talaga ng lead dito ang Serpents against sa USI Falcons.
Ayan nga on the last sequence again. Naga got 2 points.
Bruce. And no good. And naihabol pa yon ng Falcons.
Yes.
It's 26-14 for our first quarter. Magbabalik po kami for our second quarter only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back again here at the ATENEO de Naga University Gymnasium para sa ating second quarter of the matchup of the USI Falcons and the ACC Green Serpents. 10 nga po dito ang kalamangan ng ating Green Serpents, now Falcons.
So kailangan makahabol na dito ng Falcons kasi knowing Serpents, they can penetrate and really dominate the match up until fourth quarter. So we'll see kung makakahabol ba sila dito. And that's good.
Wow, bagong pasok na si Bona Obra. Another 3 for the Green Serpents. Now Remo. Loose ball para sa Falcons. Nagmamadali dito. Now the ACC. Passes on the inside. No good.
At pinasok na nga dito si Ravalo.
At para makahingi naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Aljan. The ACC Green Serpents are now effectively slithering this ball game as they got the lead during the first course of the game. During the timeout, Coach John just reminded the boys that they are a team with an unbreakable chemistry. So use that as an advantage to win. Huwag mag-asahan and help each other to get a basket. He also emphasized that in this ball game, bawal ang tamad, sipagan, and have the confidence to drive into bigger bodies to secure their win. That's the latest here on the side of the Serpents. Balik sa inyo, Ten and Aljan.
Thank you so much, Ali. So, ang kakapitan dito ngayon ng Serpents is their team and also their team chemistry. At syempre naman, huwag tamad. Kasi looking naman talaga sa mga players natin, talagang masisipag sila.
Yes.
Actually, believe ako sa fast transition dito ng Green Serpents.
Yan nga on the last sequence na ubusan ng oras itong ating USI Falcons. 31-16 at para makahingi naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the USI Falcons, tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chan. Hi Chan, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Aljon. During the timeout, Coach Tupe encouraged the players to keep going and not be distracted by the score difference. They just have to always be alert and try to execute their roles in the group. Ngayon ay patuloy na humahabol ang Falcons laban sa Green Serpents and they are aiming to finish the half strong. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Ten. So Coach Tope reminded his boys to just keep going and not be distracted by the point. Kasi maaga, second quarter pa lang. But if they allow to be threatened by the score, I don't think na makakabawi sila. But I'm seeing talaga ngayong kinakapitan nila. And may mga players sa dito like Ravalo na talaga naman nagpakita ng tibay at lakas ng last game nila.
I think the USI Falcons can really be on the game alongside with the ACC Green Serpents. Kasi napakaganda din naman yung pinapakita nila ngayon.
That's
at sabi mo
true.
kanina, nasa second quarter pa lamang tayo, napakahaba pa po ng oras. So let's see on the side of the USI Falcons. But now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Now they are taking their time. Loose ball para dito sa Green Serpents.
Bola ngayon ng Falcons. Passes to Castro. Ravalo. Madala ng bola. Falcons no good.
Now chance for the Green Serpents to widen the gap. Basaysay. Pass to Balance. 10 seconds to shoot. Bona Obra.
No good. Ravalo dumidiretso. No good.
Yan. Palitan lang ng turnover para sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Septo may hawak ng bola. Passes to Bona Obra. Bona Obra again. Mid shot, no good.
Makukuha yan ng Falcons. Posada. 4-3.
Yan nga, natawag na nga ng timeout ang ating ACC Green Serpents 31-19 with 6 minutes and 21 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter. On the last sequence nga, pumuputok na ngayon si Posada on his 3-point shots. Grabe, napakaganda ng mga pinapakita dito ng ating mga players.
And speaking of Posada, talagang keep going nga ang USI Falcons dito. And dito naman sa strategy ng ACC, they want to stop the momentum of the USI Falcons so that they can continue their lead and their run for the second quarter. So talagang mind thinking talaga to, diba, Tin?
Yes, and now let's see, a 12-point lead coming from the ACC Green Serpents. Ano kaya ang gagawin ng USI Falcons para mapaliit nila ang kalamangan dito ng ACC Green Serpents? Pero on the side of the Green Serpents, grabe, yung depensa at opensa nila, makikita mo talaga na they are really ready. Kasi kapag papasok ka ng hard court, you really need to be ready.
That's
Kahit
true.
sino man yung kalaban mo, you just need to give all your efforts at yung pagod para hindi naman masayang lahat ng mga pinagpaguran ninyo. Now,
Bola makukuha ng Falcons. No good! Sayang yun!
Napakaganda sana para sa USI Falcons. Now, Septo. Now, Septo again with the ball. Nagmamadali dito. In and out. Offensive rebound. Bona Obra again for deep 3. Palitan ng tres tong dalawang koponan na ito.
Chance para bumawi dito. Ang Falcons. Bruce. Passes to Quijano. Ravalo. Quijano. Looking for his teammate. Posada to Ravalo. Quijano. And inside. That's good.
Now, 34-21. Septo. Ang hanap dito papasahan. Didiretso sa loob. That's good.
And a whistle.
Yan, Aljon, bago tayo magpatuloy, shoutout tayo sa ating mga live viewers dito sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Hello po kay Johnny Bicaldo, kay John Anthony Borlagdon, at kay Bernadette Van Hot. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Mga supporters nitong Falcons at ng ACC Green Serpents.
Falcons to inbound. Ravalo. Portery. For the Falcons, no good.
Now, Basaysay. Pass to Galvez. Galvez ngayon nahahanap. Bron. What will they do? 12 seconds remaining. Bona Obra. To Bron again. A loose ball. Let's see. There was a whistle here on the referees. Ball possession of the Falcons.
At bola pa rin yan ng Falcons. Look to inbound. Ravalo. Passes to Riva. No good. Sayang yon.
Grabe! Walang bantay yun. Sayang para sa Falcons. Oh, stepping out the line.
Yes. And looking at that last sequence, sayang yon. Walang bantay sana. Ravalo. Passes to Luke. Sumasalaksak. No good. Medyo tinahihirapan dito ang Falcons sa mga inside shooting nila.
Yes. Now 15 seconds to shoot for the Falcons.
Look to inbound. Passes to Ravalo. Ravalo papasok. Passes to Luke. No good. Ravalo nakuha ang bola. Posada ngayon. Portery. No good.
Now Green Serpents. Balance. Pass to Bona Obra. Galvez for that layup. That's good. Napakaganda nun. Para dito kay Bona Obra or kay Galvez.
Look to inbound. Posada. Pass. Look ngayon. May dala ng bola. Passes to Quijano. Looking for his teammate. Passes to Riva. Quijano. And that's good.
Napaka-ikot para doon sa Falcons.
Ganda.
Now, the ACC. Less than 3 minutes on our second quarter. Galvez, no good. Ball possession
Yes.
of the USI Falcons. (38-23).
Arnoza to inbound. Look. May dala ng bola. Passes to Ravalo. And a steal.
Now, nagmamadali dito. For that layup, that's good. Para dito kay Balance.
A chance here. Arnoza. Passes to Ravalo. Passes to Riva.
Ay,
No
sayang.
good again.
Ang daming lost opportunity dito sa side ng USI Falcons na sana naipasok nila.
That's true, Tien.
But still, with their performance, I think makakahabol sila dito. But let's see. Meron pa tayong 2 quarter mamaya.
At makakakuha nga dito si Riva ng free throw. We'll see kung maipapasok niya na ba to. Hindi pa rin. Another opportunity. Riva to shoot. Wala pa rin. Makukuha yan ng Serpents.
Yan, such a wasted opportunity on the side of the Falcons. Now Galvez, nagmamadali for that layup, no good.
Defensive rebound dito ang Falcons. Arnoza, may dala ng bola. Passes to Luke. And that's good.
Yan, naibawi naman dito ni Locke para sa USI Falcons. 1 minute and 23 seconds remaining. Now, a turnover.
Yes, turnover. Arnoza to inbound. Look, balik kay Arnoza. Nahihirapan dito. And a foul here.
Yan. An 8 seconds violation on the side of the USI Falcons. So this will be the ball possession of the Green Serpents. Now Galvez. Pero wala yan. Babalik ang bola sa USI Falcons.
And a timeout called of the Green Serpents. 42-25. 1 minute and 9 seconds for our quarter. Magbabalik po kami. Maya-maya after ng second quarter natin.
Yes. Yan nga. 15-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents para sa ating first half. Grabe, napakaganda ng pinapakitang depensa as well as the offense on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
And also, Tin, I like how this both player put pressure at each other kasi pag tuma-time out yung isa, it means na talagang yung momentum nabibuild up na. And pag nagta-time out naman yung isa, balikan lang sila ng momentum and also talagang palitan lang ng puntos.
So you can see on the side of the USI Falcons, grabe, napakalaki din nung fighting spirit nila dahil napakaganda din ng pinapakita nilang performance now.
At talaga namang each of their player talaga nagko-contribute just to convert a point. Talaga namang ang laki yung hinabol nila. They're just close. And I hope talaga makakadikit sila dito coming for our second half and third quarter.
Now this was the ball possession of the Falcons.
Look to inbound. Passes to Arnoza. Quijano, balik kay Arnoza. A pass for Riva, no good. Wala pa rin.
Grabe. Napakaganda sana nung unang atake ng Falcons. Great assist. Grabe. Ang daming sayang na opportunity for the side of the USI Falcons.
At makakakuha nga ng free throw dito si Riva. No good again for him.
I think kanina pa sumasablay dito si Riva on the free throw line.
Another opportunity at right on the basket.
Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Almario. Nagmamadali dito. Passes to Bona Obra. Almario for deep three. another 3 for the ACC Green Serpents.
Wow. A 3 points. Bola ngayon ng Falcons. Look. Passes to Arnoza. Passes to Bruce for 3. No good. Arnoza again for 3. Wala pa rin.
Now, sinecure na ni Almario ang bola. Bona obra. Another loose ball para sa side ng ACC Green Serpents. Only 13 seconds remaining para sa ating first half. Now the ball possession of the Falcons.
10 seconds to shoot. Falcons. Arnoza. May dala ng bola.
Pero may naitawag pa nga dyang foul.
I think makakakuha dito ng free throw si Arnoza.
Hindi pumasok ang unang free throw ni Arnoza. So we'll try again for the second time.
Right on the basket.
Last 2 seconds. ACC. That's it. Natapos na po ang ating first half, 43-27 in favor of the ACC Green Serpents. Magbabalik pa po kami for more actions here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
bilis laki, nipis taba, BMEG, bilis kita. Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! BMEG, bilis kita!
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit.
We're back again here at the ATENEO Naga University Gymnasium for the second half of the matchup of the ACC Green Serpents against the USI Falcons. Now, 43-27 in favor of the ACC Green Serpents. Pero ito pag-usapan natin, Aljon, ang ating halftime analysis. Madaming points ang nakuha ng ACC Green Serpents sa ating first half. But on the side of the USI Falcons, marami silang offensive rebounds kung saan they converted it into points. Kung kaya't medyo marami-rami din ang kanilang naiambag dito sa ating first half. Now, ball possession of the Green Serpents. Almario. Passes to Galvez. Galvez hahanap ngayon. Papasok sa loob. Yan. Magandang pasok para sa ating USI Falcons dito sa ating third quarter. Now, Green Serpents. Acabado. What will he do? Passes to Galvez. Bron. On the inside para kay Nagar. That's good. Still. Rebound of the Green Serpents. Nagmamadal dito.
That's good for Quijano.
Yan, may kasama pang foul. Mukhang uminat ang third quarter ng USI Falcons. At para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way on their bench, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporting na si Chen. Hi Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Aljon and Teen. Sa ngayon ay nasa adjustment period pa rin ng Falcons. Ayon kay Coach Tupe, kailangan nilang lakasan ang depensa dahil nakukulangan ng coaches sa pinapagitang galaw at transition. And make sure that every offense opportunity is not wasted. Lagi lang paalala ni Coach na maging kumpiyansa sa sarili. Isa-isahin at huwag madaliin. Yan muna ang update. Back to you guys.
Thank you so much, Chen. So I think tama naman talaga, adjustment pa lang. Kasi kanina, ang daming wasted opportunity. But I'm seeing here talagang they are battling against Green Serpents.
Now on the last sequence, traveling violation on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Traveling violation is brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. Now, Falcons.
Falcons to inbound. Look. Passes. To Posada.
The
At
steal.
another traveling. And that's brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories.
Ayan, a back-to-back traveling violation from this both teams, but still, ball possession of the Falcons. Now, para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Aljan. The ACC Green Serpents are still proving their effective basketball skills as they continue to dominate this ball game. During the timeout, Coach John commended the team's hustle as they left a huge gap on the scoreboard for the USI Falcons to run. He also pointed out that despite the absence of some key players inside the hard court, it is now the time for others to step up and have the confidence to get to the rim and get a basket. Magpakilala at huwag maging tamad. Nakalalamang man, Coach John still emphasized na huwag maging complacent and strengthen more their defense. Do not focus mainly on their offense but rather mag-focus sa defense. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljan.
Thank you so much, Ali. So, I'm very certain that they're not complacent here. Kasi talaga namang hindi nila binibitawan ang every opportunity to shoot, and also their defense, talagang they put pressure on the side of the Falcons.
And now, on the last sequence, napakaganda nga na layup galing kay Riva ng Falcons. So now, ball possession of the Green Serpents. Nagar. Now, they are trying to get a point here. 3 seconds to shoot. No good. Offensive rebound. Bron tries again. That's good this time.
Look, may dala ng bola.
Turn over again.
Napalakas ng pasa doon.
So this will be the ball possession of the Green Serpents. Nico Nagar to inbound. Nagar ang tatawid dito. Now, passes on the inside.
No good.
Offensive rebound. Bron, nahihirapan. Now, it's the ball possession of the Falcons.
What a defense din pinapakita ng Falcons dito. Talagang di nila binibitawan ang depensa nila. Bruce, naagawan dito.
Septo. Passes.
Another traveling team.
Traveling violation is brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. Now Falcons.
Look to inbound. Passes to Ravalo and a steal.
Now time for the ACC Green Serpents, Septo. But still, it's on their side. Muling babalik dito si Bona Obra. Kapalit ni Almario for the side of the Green Serpents. Now, Bona Obra. Passes to Septo. Septo, didiretso sa loob!
And a block.
Wow, a block by the Falcons.
From Quijano.
Green Serpents with just 8 seconds to shoot. Acabado. Passes to Bron.
Another traveling, and that's brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories.
Ayan.
Medyo tinapapadami na dito ang violations ng dalawang team, and that's considered a wasted opportunity. And consider that one malayo, medyo malayo.
Ayan. Ang dami ng turnovers sa nagagawa ng dalawang koponan na ito. Now, time for the ACC Green Serpents. Bona Obra. Nagmamadali dito. Passes to Acabado. Acabado. Back to Bonaobra. Septo. Bonaobra with that 3-point opportunity. No good.
At makukuha yan ni Ravalo. Ravalo passes to Quijano. No good!
Sayang! Napakaganda sana nung pagpasok dito ni Quijano. Now Septo. To Bron. Now. Wow, what a great pass!
At sayang.
Pero sayang yon.
Medyo yung pinapakitaan na tayo dito ng tricks ng Serpents.
Offensive foul nga na itawag dito kay Bron. Napakaganda sana nung pasa na yon. 47-34 with 4 minutes and 37 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. Lamang pa rin po ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, ball possession of the Falcons.
Yes. Chance para makawabawi dito. And another loose ball for Posada. Another turnover. Ravalo to inbound. Turnover 10.
Now, Green Serpents. Bonaobra. To Septo. Hahanap dito ng mapapasahan. Bron. Pass to Nagar. Nagar, ang gagawa ng paraan. On the inside, that's good.
Falcons. Chance para bumawi. Posada. At makakakuha siya dito ng foul.
Now, ball possession of the Falcons. Still, it will stay on their side. 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. 7 seconds to shoot for the Falcons. Dami na nga ang foul dito nakukumit ng ating ACC. Still, ball possession of the Falcons. 14 seconds to shoot.
Look to inbound dito. Another chance for the Falcon.
Natawagan nga muli ng foul dito si Bonaobra.
And Posada to shoot. No good. Another opportunity for him. And that's right on the basket.
Now Green Serpents. Almario. Handing the ball. Now didiretso sa loob. Wala yan. But still on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Almario to inbound. Passes to Nagar. Nagar mukhang didiretso sa loob. Ooh, in and out. Offensive rebound para kay Almario. Bron.
Yeah,
That's good this time.
Look dito to inbound. Passes to Posada. Balik kay Look. And a steal for Serpents. And a block. At
Back to
makukuha
back.
yan.
Block by Riva.
Makukuha ni Ravalo.
Grabe yung Riva dito ng Falcons.
Really, height is might. Says by Riva.
(51-37) or 35. 2 minutes and 58 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
Ravalo to shoot. And that's good. Not this time.
Now, Green Serpents. Chance to get a point. Yantero. Passes to Almario. Now, Bron, may hawak ng bola. Ibibigay kay Acabado.
No good defensive rebound. Posada dito mahihirapan.
Yan, out of bounds. So back on the side of the Green Serpents. Naga now to inbound. (51-36) for our third quarter. Almario. Passes to Bron. That's good.
Naipasok pa yon.
Tatlo yung nakabantay doon kay Bron. But still, he got that point. Arnosa. No good offensive rebound. Riva. That's good. Now, nagmamadali dito ang Green Serpents. Yantero. Almario ngayon may hawak ng bola. Bron, again, on the inside for that layup. That's good. Yun nga. Natawagan nga dito ng technical si Bron. Still, the referees are discussing here together with the coaches.
Bruce to shoot. And that's a clean basket.
Still a ball possession of the Falcons.
Ravalo. Riva, no good.
Green Serpents now. Yantero. Bron. Passes to Almario. Wala yan. Ball possession of the Falcons. A minute and 18 seconds remaining. Burse.
To shoot. No good.
Bron now. Acabado. Passes to Bron. But there was a whistled foul here. Mapupunta sa free throw line si Bron for 2 shots. 54 seconds remaining para sa ating first or the third quarter. 55-39. Still on the lead, the ACC Green Serpents. Abangan niyo po mamaya ang ating last game for today. It's the ATENEO Golden Knights versus the CSPC Blue Stallions Seniors Basketball.
Yan ang talagang inaabangan ng ating mga manonood.
Yes, an exciting last game. And bukas po, 3 laro lang po ang ibabahagi namin sa inyo. So stay tuned dito sa Bucal Facebook page. Now,
Ay makukuha ng USI Falcons ang bola. Ravalo. Passes to Arnoza. No good for Castro. And a foul for Acabado.
now. Ball possession pa rin po ng Falcons. Arnoza to inbound.
For 3 and that's good for Castro.
Go. Mukhang mainit na to si Bron. (55-42). 33 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. Now, on the free throw line, Balance. Hindi niya naipasok ang kanyang unang free throw. Now ball possession of the Green Serpents. Balance to inbound. Yantero ang tagtawid ng bola for the Green Serpents. Passes to Basaysay. A traveling violation was committed by Basaysay. Traveling violation is brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories.
At ang bola ngayon mapupunta sa Falcons. Posada to inbound. 15 seconds to shoot. Borse. Madala ng bola. Passes to Posada. To shoot. No good.
Wala pa rin. And that ends our third quarter. 55-42 in favor of the ACC Green Serpents. Magbabalik po kami para sa fourth and last quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here live at ATENEO de Naga GYMNASIUM and live na live sa ating live stream. Social media platforms, Bucal Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV, and One Media TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. We are now down on our last and fourth quarter. Lamang dito ang Green Serpents.
Ayun, Aljon, pero bago ang lahat, syempre, batiin lang din natin ang ating live viewers. Hello kay Yezha, John Michael Perez, Jenny Bicaldo, Mark Laster Belbis, Bernadette Van Hot, Zach Castro, at kay Angel Laika Buela. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. Now, back on the ball game, Yantera. Pass to Bron. Ngayon, Nagar. Passes on the inside, no good. Offensive rebound on the side of the Green Serpents. Sa 3, no good pa rin. Now, Bron. For the third time.
And at Traveling. And that's brought to you by Nagayan Travel and Tours. Nagayan, live your dreams, create memories.
Now, ball possession of the Falcons. At para makingi tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen. Hi Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Aljon. We are now at the last quarter. Ngayon, kailangan ng Falcons mag-double effort and execute as much of its effective game plan dahil nakakalamang pa rin ang kabilang kupunan. Focus sa laro at depensa sigaw ng mga Falcons during the huddle. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Ten. So talagang dito napukpukan ang labanan. USI Falcons have to double their efforts in order for them to win against Green Serpents.
Now.
Riva to shoot. No good, napasobra.
Now. Nagar. Back to Nagar ang bola. Acabado for dip 3. No good. Now Falcons.
Passes to Ravalo.
Still ball possession of the USI Falcons. At para makahingi naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Aljon. We are now on the last quarter and the ACC Green Serpents are now sealing the deal as they left a huge gap on the scoreboard for the USI Falcons to run. Despite the huge gap, Coach still emphasized that this ball game must be a team effort, so communicate and stick to the game plan until the last buzzer. Walang magre-relax. Recover quickly. Do not give your opponent the momentum. Mas maging matalino at dumepensa. That's the latest here on the side of the Serpents. Balik sa inyo, Ten and Aljon.
So thank you so much, Ali. So talaga nakikita natin yung team chemistry, the defense, and also not being complacent. Kasi talaga namang nado-dominate ng Green Serpents ang laban against the Falcons.
Now, 55-44. 11-point lead coming from the ACC Green Serpents. There's still a chance here. 7 minutes and 35 seconds. There's a long run for a basketball game. Now Acabado passes to Galvez. Galvez for a mid-shot.
Bursa may dala ng bola. Passes to Riva. Passes to Posada. Signaling for his teammate. Posada. Passes to Burse. To shoot. And that's good.
Now, ACC. Chance to widen the gap. Yantera. Hindi ka na yung mawala ang bola. Nico Nagar. Now on the inside. But there was a whistled foul. Still, ball possession of the Green Serpents. Yan, Tera na wala ang bola. Now, ball possession of the USI Falcons. May chance pa dito yung Falcons makahabol. 57-46.
So, talagang hindi nila binibitawan at kinakapitan talaga nila. Riva, may dala ng bola. And a wasted opportunity.
Now, back on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Galvez to inbound. Yan Tera ngayon ang magtatawid ng bola. 9-point lead. Yun na lamang hinahabol dito ng Falcons. Now, Nagar. On the inside for that layup. That's good.
Falcons here. Another wasted opportunity. Posada now is in. To shoot. No good. Makukuha yan ni Riva. No good again.
Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. A 13-point lead coming from them.
No good.
Now, USI Falcons possession. Burse. Didiretso para sa Falcons. Nagmamadali ito. Leantera, wala rin. Nagar with that offensive rebound for 3.
And a violation here for the Green Serpents.
(59-46). 5 minutes and 24 seconds remaining para sa ating last quarter. But before anything else, we'd like to thank our big sponsors. We have the Havaianas Pigs Diner and the Elise Sportswear. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.
So, talaga namang gitgitan ang labanan natin dito ngayon sa fourth quarter. I think the officials are clarifying on some things. I think that's because of the last sequence. They are reviewing kung kanino bang bola.
But before anything else, we would like to thank our sponsors, the Naga College Foundation, the home of the champion, Gold Buffa Construction, Lamon Residences, Lamon Experience Home Living, Anjana Trading, presyong maaasahan sa kalidad na mapagkakatiwalaan na BMEG Premium. Sa totoong premium feeds, mabilis na ang paglaki, mabilis pa ang kita. NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings.
We also like to thank the Hansab Shabu Shabu Buffet Restaurant, Converge ICT Solution, Filipina Shell, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Nagayon Live Your Dreams, Create Memories. NCFB Gallery Museum, Julia Outdoor Advertising and Printing, Tigers Cafe located at NCF Main and NCF Annex, NCF Indoor Firing Range, First World Class Indoor Firing Range in Bucal Region, SMCT Naga, NCF Training Pool, and NCF Driving School. Maraming salamat po.
Of course, we would like to thank our live audience dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium na sumusuporta sa dalawang kupunan na ito. It's the USI Falcons and the ACC Green Serpents. And of course, sa ating live viewers ngayon, mamaya po, abangan niyo po ang ating last game. It's the Ateneo Golden Knights against the CSPC Blue Stallions for the seniors basketball.
So may last match pa po tayo. Worth fourth game match up rather. Talaga namang napupuno tin ang venue natin pag Ateneo and CSPC ang naglalaban. So I hope we see you guys here mamaya.
Yes, of course, shoutout din tayo dito kay Joshua Magno, Kenneth Sabando, Zach Castro, Christian Edward Albaniel, Carl Melgar, maraming salamat po. And of course, shout out po kay Evelyn Reyes na birthday po ngayon. Happy birthday!
And shout out sa ating stats team, Eliza, Angela.
Yan, sa ating stats team, kay Chinky, kay Angela, kay Mark. Maraming salamat po. Now we are back on the ball game. Ball possession of the USI Falcons.
May chance dito para makabawi ang Falcons. Burse. May dala ng bola. Passes to Riva. Balik kay Burse. Medyo nahihirapan sa dito. And a steal.
Nagmamadali ngayon. Nagar for a layup. That's good. Four minutes and 56 seconds remaining. Now, Burse is on the free throw line for the Falcons.
Burse to shoot. Right on the basket for him.
Still, this is the ball possession of the USI Falcons.
Look to inbound. Posada. Passes to Quijano. Passes to Luke for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. That's good.
Now, Green Serpents, Yantera. Kabado ngayon, papasok sa loob. Passes on the corner. Nagar to Septo. 4-3, no good.
And sayang yon. Nabitawan ni Posada.
Akabado. Wala pa rin para sa Green Serpents. Now chance for the Falcons here.
Look to inbound. 4 minutes and 3 seconds for our fourth quarter. Passes to Riva. Passes to Luke. For 3. No good. Makukuha ng Falcons. And that's good.
Now, down to 10 ang kalamangan dito ng ACC Green Serpents. 3 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. You can hear the cheering of the fans of the USI Falcons. Now, Bron for that layup. No good. Now, chance for the Falcons.
Quijano ngayon, pass to Posada. Passes to Luke. Quijano. Luke ngayon. Madala ng bola. Posada. Signaling for the play. To shoot. No good. Sayang yon.
Now, Green Serpents, Lantera. Pass on the inside for Bron. Lantera ngayon ang gagawa ng paraan. That's good. Another 2 points for the Green Serpents.
Quijano ngayon. Borse. Passes to Posada. Quijano looking for his teammate. Look. Borse. And sayang yon.
Yan, natawagan ka ng 24 seconds violation itong ating USI Falcons. Now, ball possession again of the Green Serpents. 63-51. Now, Nagar to Llantera. Llantera on the inside for a layup. That's good. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dito sa side ng USI Falcons, 65-51 in favor of the ACC Green Serpents. Magbabalik po kami dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here live at ATENEO de Naga GYMNASIUM. It's 65-51. Lamang nga dito ang Amando Copy College for our 4th quarter. Two minutes and 8 seconds. Bola ngayon ng Falcons. Passes to Posada. And a block.
Noah Calvado. We are now down on the last 2 minutes of the game. Llantera, no good. Nagkakagawa ng bola. Nagmamadali dito.
Borse. And that's good. Riva.
Now, one of the players of the Falcons, I think he feels something pain on the sensitive part. Posada. Lalabas muna ng court. One minute and 46 seconds remaining. 65-53, 12-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents.
And the Green Serpents are feeling it. I think there are some clarification here.
Now, the referees are discussing with the coach of the ACC Green Serpents. Now again, we would like to thank our dearest sponsors. We have the Havaianas, Big Steiner, and the Elise Sportswear. And of course, the Naga College Foundation, Gold Golfa Construction, Lemon Residences, Angela Trading, BMEG Premium, at NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings.
We'd also like to thank Han Shabu Shabu Buffet and Restaurant, Converge ICT Solution, Filipina Shell, Nagayan Travel and Tours, Naga and Live Your Dreams, Create Memories, NCFB Gallery and Museum, Julia Advertising and Printing, Tigers Cafe located at NCF Main and NCF Annex, NCF Indoor Firing Range, first world-class indoor firing range in Bucal region, SM City Naga, NCF Training Pool, and NCF Driving School. And also would like to thank our online viewers on our Facebook and our TV at channel 48.2 and on our YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood. And also I'd like to shout out to Christina Valenzuela. Would like to say a happy birthday to you. She is a part of the stats team. Christina Valenzuela, thank you for your service.
And
Also
of course,
shout out, yes.
shout out dito kay Rick Puerta, kay Rain Reyes at kay Kyla Casulla na sumusuporta dito sa ating Bucal Season 5. And still, the referees are discussing.
And also, Tin, shout out naman natin yung mga gatekeepers natin, yung logistics, yung stats team, the cameraman. Maraming salamat po kahit, weekend talaga namang they allotted their time just to
Yes.
be here and,
Still, we have a minute and 43 seconds remaining para sa ating fourth quarter. Mamaya po magbabalik pa po kami for more bakbakan only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here live at ATENEO de Naga GYMNASIUM and live on our live stream, Oragon Sports TV, Bucal, and on our YouTube channel, One Media TV 48 Naga.
That's good for the first free throw of Burse.
Another right on the basket.
Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. A 10-point lead. What will happen now? Now, Nagar handling the ball. Again. Natawagan dito ng foul si Riva.
That's true. Ball possession ngayon ng Serpents.
Almario. Passes to Llantera. Llantera on the inside.
That's
good.
good. Ball na ngayon ng Falcons. And a steal for the Serpents.
Now, Acabado. Tuliantero. They're taking their time here. Nagar. They will go inside.
And last 1 minute on the shot clock. That's good for a look.
Still a 10-point lead. Almario. 49 seconds. Passes to Acabado. Acabado ngayon. Gagawa ng paraan dito. Passes on the inside. That's good para kay
pasa
Bron.
yun. And a timeout called by the USI Falcons here.
69:57 with 38 seconds remaining. I think that 38 seconds will just help the ACC to gain more scores here.
So, talaga namang hindi binatawan ng Serpents dito na makapenetrate ang shooting ng Falcons. Kasi last sequence, talagang nahihirapan. Even the outside shooting of Falcons, talagang nahihirapan sila. And dito naman sa Serpents, I think one of their advantage is their height. Kaya nahihirapan din talaga makapenetrate ang Falcons dito. And as what we've all said, height is might sa basketball. So talaga namang yan ang advantage ng defense. And also kasi makakakontribute sa defense and also sa offense.
Yes, but still the USI Falcons give us a good fight against the ACC Green Serpents. And now I think the ACC Green Serpents will stay on the top. Now, for the last 38 seconds, ball possession of the USI Falcons. 14 seconds to shoot on their side.
USI Falcons to inbound. And a foul here.
(69:57), 38 seconds. If the ACC will win today, this would be 2-0 on their ranking, and they will still stay on the top of the bracket A of the seniors basketball, while the USI Falcons will be 1-2, if ever.
So I think again, there's a clarification here. Talagang 38 seconds rather, ang dami pang nangyayari din. So we'll see if makakadikit pa ba dito ang USI Falcons or will the ACC Green Serpents stay on the top
Now,
of
shout
our
out.
bracket
Ayan.
A.
Yan, Arjun. Shout out muna tayo dito kay Balderrama, Orlea, Dwayne Dueñas, Joshua Lasaniana, kay Sheila May Medrano at kay Christian Edward Albaniel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Again, our next game, the Ateneo Golden Knights versus the CSPC Blue Stallions Seniors Basketball. And of course, shoutout din tayo kay JM Daa, kay Joshua Magdo, thank you so much po sa inyong pagtutok. And of course, sa ating live viewers sa One Media TV48 Naga Facebook page at sa ating YouTube channel. May pinapa-shoutout dito si John Michael Pera. Shoutout daw kay Tina Moran. At galing kay Ken Christian Llagas Funes, shoutout kay Shakil Sean Bulawan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay.
And also shout out to the NCF Central Student Government Officer and volunteers of Naga College Foundation. And may mga nakikita tayo ditong mga students from different schools. Thank you so much po.
Ayan, shoutout din kay Rico Alejandro. Maraming ang naitawag dito na technical foul on both sides. Both teams are now on the penalty. Riva. Wala yan sa kanyang unang free throw. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Still, 38 seconds remaining. 69-57 sa ating last quarter. And shoutout sa ating live audience ito. Maya-maya mapupuno po ito for the matchup of the Ateneo Golden Knights and the CSPC Blue Stallions. So watch out for our last game. Now back on the ball game. Again, 38 seconds remaining. Ball possession of the USI Falcons.
Look to inbound. 14 seconds to shoot. Passes to Riva.
And stepping on the line.
Turnover here. Serpents ngayon to inbound.
Yantero. Tatawid ng bola dito. Passes to Galvez. Galvez on the inside.
And a block. Courtesy of Quijano.
But still, ball possession of the Green Serpents. 12 seconds to shoot. Cabado to inbound. Passes to Galvez for 3. No good.
20 seconds remaining.
Now Bron tries again. No good.
Defensive rebound from Riva. At napalakas ang pasa na yon.
You only have 9 seconds to shoot. Acabado passes to Liantero, and I think we know it. The ACC Green Serpents got their second win on this season of Bucal 2-0 para sa seniors basketball. Mamaya po sa ating pagbabalik, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game. Nagtapos po ito 69-57 only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big. Lemon Residences experience home living. The ACC Green Serpents effectively slithered this ball game as they got their victory over the USI Falcons, and one player showcased their impressive basketball skills and hailed as the best player of the game. No other than jersey number 11 coming from the bench with 12 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, and 3 steals. John Cedric Braun, congratulations and good afternoon. Second win for the ACC Green Serpents. What do you think is the key factor for your win?
Pinapakinggan lang namin yung mga play na sinasabi ni Coach, and pag nasa loob ng court, bigay na lahat para maganda yung nilalaro, and kahit nag-error, bawi agad sa depensa. Thank you.
Alright, all of us are hoping that this is your winning season. What should we expect from you naman on your succeeding games?
Ang masabi ko po, lagi lang po mag-training para mabigay mo ang best mo pag naglalaro ka.
Alright, best player. Sino naman ang mga gusto mong i-shout out?
Shoutout po kay Coach Alterbert, bilihan po ngayon, and sa community, and sa mga and sa mga tropa ko dyan sa Basod. Thank you po.
Alright, thank you. And
Shoutout din po sa jowa ko.
alright, thank you and congratulations once again. Now, this has been Eliza Faith with Cesar Respeto, courtside reporter of Amando Cope College Green Serpents, only here on Bucal Season 5-1 Media, TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
That's our best player of the game, jersey number 11 with 12 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, and 3 steals. None other than John Cedric Braun. Grabe naman kasi Aljon, yung pinakitang performance dito ni Braun. And of course, all the players of the ACC Green Serpents.
So talaga namang napanatili ng ACC Serpents yung pagiging nasa top nila, and also USI Falcons, kudos po sa inyo. Still, a great journey, and also madami pa kayong game, so bawi.
Ayan nga, Aljon, for our last game, it's the Ateneo Golden Knights going against the CSPC Blue Stallions. Again, I am Christine Reyes.
And I'm Aljon Cibulopogoy.
Dito lang po yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.